How's it going, everyone? Weston here with GoWesty, and today we're going to do a dual horn kit install. Part number GVW-DUAL-HORN kit. In order to install the dual horn kit in a Vanagon, a horn load reduction relay is required. Part number GVW-HRN-LD-RDX. Remove the two horns from the box and line up the two bracket holes. Double check the wire tightness. If they are too tight, loosen the two bolts and rotate the horn so they're slack in the wires. You can mount these horns in a number of locations, but we like to mount it behind the headlight assembly. Remove the grill and possible headlight assembly. Mock up the horns in this location, taking note of the indentations in the cowl. Then, making sure there's nothing on the inside of the cab that you can drill into, drill a 5/16 inch hole just below the roll in the sheet metal. Uninstall the old horn, making sure to save these wires. Push these wires up and into the headlight assembly area. These weather-sealed grommets may need to be modified to fit on the horn. Temporarily install the horns through the hole. Next, we install the horn load reduction relay kit. Pull the horn's wiring up into the headlight assembly area. Then make an incision in the middle of the harness, exposing the wires. Use the diagram on screen to figure out which wires go where, or pause the video if needed. Now pull the brown-blue wire from the horn side out and attach the provided eyelet. I scuffed this hole up to utilize it as a ground for the eyelet. Use a little bit of sandpaper to scuff this hole up. Run the bolt through the eyelet, then the fender washer, then the brackets, and then the serrated washer. Then apply a little bit of silicone to the hole and run the bolt through the hole. Using the provided fender washer and nut, tighten the horn bracket. This step may require an additional pair of hands. Reinstall the carpet. Use some electrical tape or loom of your choice to tidy up these wires. Then use a provided self-tapping screw and serrated washer to install the load reduction relay. And that's it, you're done. Thanks for following along, and we'll see you on the next one.